Welcome back to my channel. I don't want to take much of your time. I know how much every minute counts in these last 2 days, but there are few points I just want to mention to ace your exam, which I personally followed and cracked the neat. So please hear me out. So whatever things I'm gonna tell are not like extraordinary things. They are just few things which can make or break your game. Guys, please relax. I know even while watching this video, so many of you will be panicking and taking a lot of stress, but listen me out. Tell yourself that you have done everything. I know even if you have not completed your syllabus, just tell yourself that you have done everything and you can do it, and you need to just perform your best. Whatever you have studied, just perform your best in that 3 hours and it will be done. The second point is, please don't touch any untouched topics or MCQs, because already your brain is in so much of stress and your brain needs to process whatever you have read in 15 days or more. So don't do any new topics. In turn you will get a lot of stress and you become underconfident with new concepts or new MCQs. Just revise the bookmarks or anything you have highlighted, or any videos that are already you have seen, you want to revise that one. So don't do any new topics, please. It's a personal advice. So you guys can have this question that what should be exactly done one day before the exam. So what I have done is I had a booklet of the formulas, like for the physical chemistry and for the physics formulas. So I just revised that booklet and then bookmarks, and I used to have an error book. I just pointed out that where did I go mistake, so what are the chances of that I can make mistake, and if you want you can follow this. So guys, already we have mentioned what should be read before 1 day or 2 days of the exam, and now let me tell you about the mental health. I know no one is gonna speak about it, but hear me out guys. It's very important to be calm and composed in that 3 hours. So it's very important. I know whatever you have worked hard in this last years, months or whatever, but it's very important to tell yourself that whatever you have done and that's enough, and just 1 day is left. It's just 1 day and you guys will be relaxed. You can enjoy after that. To be calm, I would recommend you guys to sing, dance, paint, meditate, or do whatever you want, but I personally don't recommend to watch movies, because I feel when you watch movie you go into in a different zone and you are not in this. If you are a person like me who can't do all of this whatever I mentioned, then please sit down, just chill and relax. Just keep on turning the pages slowly. Guys, on the exam day, when they give you booklet, just don't open the booklet. Just take a long breath and tell yourself that you have done everything. It's just you need to concentrate these hours and you need to give your best. So if you ask me about timings, what really I have done is in 55 minutes I have done biology, then chemistry, then physics. So I personally choose the subject which I am confident and which is highest scoring, that is biology. So I have done that, like same zoology and botany. Then I have done chemistry for about 1 hour I guess. I know my timing is not ideal, but which really suit me, so I'm sharing with you guys. Then chemistry, then physics. I know it depends on every individual has their own timings, but one recommendation is that please do the subjects which you are more confident and which you can do easily. Not like you are weak in physics and you are doing it first and you are taking 2 hours and your paper will ruin and you will be stressed out. So don't do that. First do the subjects you are comfortable and you are confident with and you can perform better. Then secondly, then the subject you are like moderately okay with, and then lastly you are like less confident with. In my case it was physics, so I have done physics for the last. I know however I can't do much in that, so I have done it last. So timings depends on you, but ideally if you want to do, then go for biology, chemistry and physics, and the timing will be not more than 1 hour for each subject. For biology, if you are like very quick, do it in 45 minutes, then wrap up it and then do chemistry and then physics. Put bubbling. So guys, whenever you are bubbling, you need to concentrate and you need to focus on the bubble, not on the question you have done, or you are thinking that 50-50 chances are there or whatever. Don't think about anything, just focus on the bubbling. How the bubble has to be done is, if this is the booklet, see this one page. So first focus. See, if you have done this, then bubble immediately. don't wait until you finish whole paper and then you going to bubble. No, because at the last moment you'll be so in like hurry to do all the questions where you have missed and all. So if you bubble at that time, there are more chances of doing mistakes, so there are more chances of bubbling wrong or doing in the different line of the OMR sheet. So please, I personally don't recommend to do it at the last. Do like after doing one page, and then you can just bubble there. So what if you bubble wrong? Which I have done. So if you bubble wrong, see, I just bubble. So in the chemistry question, I have done it. I know that it's 100% the correct answer, but while bubbling, instead of C, I have kept D. So I know I just F up, but I didn't panic at that moment, because I know if I just panic, then every question after that I bubble will be under the stress and it will be wrong. I just took 30 seconds and told myself that nothing has gone wrong. You have many questions to do. Just focus and relax. Just take some, you can take even 1 minute, just relax and then do other bubbles. This was the trick. You can also follow this trick if you want to. Guys, last but not the least, please guys, don't compare yourself with others. Don't call your friends or relatives, whoever is writing NEET, and asking about their syllabus, how much did they cover, and telling you about yours, because in turn you'll get a lot of stress and you'll feel like you just don't compare. I'm telling you, just don't compare with others, and don't use mobile, and don't call such persons who are writing NEET. Let me tell you, even the person who gets highest marks in the NEET will not cover whole syllabus. What makes difference in the topper and the average student is that they just believing in themselves and giving their best in the exams. So please do concentrate on your exam. Don't compare. It's my personal advice. Okay then guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I know the points are a little clumsy, but please focus on wherever you do connect in whatever points I have mentioned, and please do follow this. It will surely give you the best results, and all the best for your exam guys. Do your best and forget the rest. Everything will be okay. Everything is okay. Everything is gonna be okay. Just focus. Just be relax. Okay, thanks. Bye.